Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I'd like to open a bank account, please.
Sure. Do you want a savings account or a current account?
What's the difference?
A savings account is for saving money, you earn interest. A current account is for everyday use, like paying bills or shopping.
Oh, okay. I think I need a current account.
Great. Can I see your passport or ID, please?
Sure, here you go.
Repeat after me. I'd like to open a bank account, please. Can I see your passport, please? What's the difference between them?
I'd like to open a bank account, please. Can I see your passport, please? What's the difference between them?
Perfect. That's exactly how people speak at the bank. Please fill out this form with your name, address, and phone number.
Okay. Rights. Done.
Great. Do you want to get a debit card with your account?
Yes, please. Can I use it for online shopping?
Absolutely. You can use it anywhere Visa is accepted.
That's convenient. By the way, how can I withdraw cash?
You can use an ATM outside or ask here at the counter.
Okay. How do I say that politely?
Just say, "I'd like to withdraw some money, please."
Got it. I'd like to withdraw some money, please.
Excellent pronunciation.
Mini speaking challenge.
Okay, let's practice. I'll be the customer, and you'll be the bank clerk. Ready?
Ready.
Hello. I'd like to open a savings account, please.
Sure. Can I see your ID, please?
Perfect. And if I want to take money out?
I'd like to withdraw some money, please.
Wonderful. You're a natural. Everything's done. Here's your new debit card and account information.
Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Do you have any other questions?
Yes. What time does the bank close?
We close at 5 p.m. every day.
Okay. I'll remember that. Thanks again.
My pleasure. Have a great day.
Summary and practice. So, today I learned how to open a bank account, withdraw money, ask polite questions. Repeat after me. I'd like to open a bank account, please. I'd like to withdraw some money, please. What time does the bank close?
Excellent. You sound ready to manage your money in English.
Now I just need more money to manage.
Don't we all? Great job today, everyone. Next time you go to the bank, try using English. It's easier than you think.
Yes, small sentences, big confidence.
Exactly. See you in the next episode. At the job interview, Career English.
Bye.
Bye.